Well, here she is after 1 week working hard on it. She's starting to come around, a little shinier than she was. You'll notice that the air cleaner is off. Have to get a new filter element for that. And the carburetor needed some work. The float itself was sticky. Bad design inside, as far as I'm concerned. And the needle valve adjustment wasn't high enough, so it was leaking. But she's good. I took her out for a ride yesterday, about 10 miles. Probably more than I should have, considering that this front wheel has a severe ding in it. Yeah, it's probably not real safe on these original tires, so I need to get new rubber. I've ordered a new rim. Found one on eBay. Polished up a bunch of the aluminum, so it looks like she has some TLC. Got a new battery. Changed all the fluids. Need to put a new clutch cable on it. This one is springy because it's been crushed up in here. Got so that's next on the agenda. And I had to put a spacer in the top of the battery. Changed the brake fluid. Changed the primary and transmission fluid. Yeah, she's starting to look good. Starting to look good. 14 miles. I got 14 miles on her since I bought her a week ago. And let me go get the key so I can start her up for you. Here we go again. The carburetor still needs a little work. I don't know whether it's just dirty inside or what, but yep. Keep on forgetting that you have to turn gas on these carburetors. Gauges all work. Everything seems to be good. Oh. So that's a progress after 1 week. She's good. And riding her is surprisingly nice. I mean, I've had several Harleys and this one might be my favorite. Just very relaxed. I even like the bars for some reason. I never thought I would. It all come together. So now I gotta get the wheel. When I get the wheel, I'll have it re-chromed. And then I think I'll re-chrome the back one at the same time. And I'm on the hunt for a 18-inch back wheel. If anybody's got one, I want it. 4.25 by 18. Originally Harley. Thanks. Bye.